The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has printed 4,000 ballot papers for local authority by-elections to be held on Saturday for Red Cliff Municipality, Midlands Province and Kusile Rural District Council (RDC), Matabeleland North Province. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The by-elections will be held in Kwekwe Ward 3 and PANE Ward 13. In a notice yesterday, ZEC Chief Elections Officer Mr. Utloile Silaigwana said they had put all the stops to ensure a seamless polling day come Saturday. Mr. Silaigwana said a contingency of 8.25% of ballots had been added in case of eventualities. The ballot papers were printed in books of 50 each. Accreditation of observing the polls is going on. This is today's news about Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) having printed 4,000 ballot papers for by-elections. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.